In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Form owner. By the end, you'll know exactly how to hand off full control of a form to someone else while understanding what changes when you do. Start by opening Google Forms. You can get there by going to the Forms homepage or opening the form from your Google Drive. Make sure you're signed in with the account that currently owns the form because only the owner can transfer ownership. If you manage multiple accounts, double check the profile icon in the top right corner. Once you're in, locate the form you want to transfer. You'll usually see it in the recent section, or you can open it from your list of forms. Click to open the form editor so you're looking at the live form settings and toolbar, not just the file preview. Now, look to the top right area of the form for the sharing controls. Click share to open the collaboration settings. Depending on your interface, you might see add collaborators in that same area. Either way, you want the window that shows who currently has access to the form and what their roles are. In the People with Access panel, find the person who should become the new owner. They need to already be listed there with at least editor access. If you see them as a viewer, you'll need to change that to editor before ownership can be transferred. Next to their name, open the permission dropdown that currently says editor. This menu lets you adjust their role and, more importantly, initiate the transfer. Choose transfer ownership from that dropdown. You'll see a confirmation prompt explaining that the other person will become the owner and you will become an editor. Review this carefully. Ownership gives the new person full control over sharing, deletion, and form settings. When you confirm, the transfer completes and your role changes accordingly. From this point on, the new owner manages who can access the form and can make any final decisions about it. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the transfer ownership option, it usually means you're not the current owner, the person isn't an editor yet, or your organization restricts ownership changes across certain accounts or domains. Also, once transferred, you'll still retain editor access unless the new owner removes it so you can continue collaborating if needed. That's it. Your Google form now has a new owner and the handoff is clean and immediate.